guys, so this is going to be my update on my 2 weeks that I got from AliGrace here on Instagram. AliGrace here on AliExpress. So I got their Brazilian loose wavy, and I also got their Peruvian straight. Yes. Now what I do notice with AliGrace is that they give you extra length. That's what I noticed about them, because for the one that I had, I think that was 24 inches, and that thing behaved like 26 inches. Like, that thing was long, bubble. That thing was long, and you guys know I love me some length, so I did not mind that any at all. Now this is the loose wavy hair that I'm wearing currently in this video right now. As I'm looking at you, you're looking at me, I'm seeing you, bubble. This hair, I had it rodded, spiral rodded with the flexi rods, and I pulled them out, and then I literally just threw it in a bag, and I took it out, and this is it. I mean, it needs some definition, but I'm saying it's behaving properly, it's behaving good, it's behaving well. This, as I can say, with the other hair that I got from them as well, it's good hair. It's just nice and fluffy, and just the movement on it is really nice and soft. It doesn't feel cheap, doesn't feel synthetic at all. Shedding, I have been getting some shedding, a little bit more than I would want to. This is my update on the hair. I have been getting some shedding a little more than I want to when I would run. And then how many times I've worn this wig twice. See, I'm still getting hairs. I've worn this wig twice. This is my third time wearing it. So, oh no, it's my second time wearing it fully. So I am going to come back. Well, I'm going to, it's still getting shedding. Now what I had to do to make this hair work for me, because I'm just back in with the wig making game, and I'm a little bit off, I'm a little bit thrown, because I wasn't sure how to do that at the top. I know I'm back into the motion, how I use the closure and so the hair and stuff close to the closure. So now I am on my game with the whole wig making. Now for this I had to do a lot of cutting right here, a lot of cutting. If you feel hair, it can feel like hair. So I had to do a lot of cutting when I got up to this section. So the hair shedding, I know it's because of that. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be updating you guys on Instagram, and I'll tell you if I wear this hair again in another video. I'll just say really quickly, alright then guys, I'm just update about this hair, and then post the the other recent videos in the description bar below. But I know I get into shedding because of when I had to cut it up to work at the top, right? So that's that. The closure is, it's good, it's okay. As I said to you guys, this it goes a little bit straight for about 2 inches, then it gets wavy, and that's why I had to use the flexi rods in the first place. I find with this style, putting it to the side and like have a little piece here, just kind of like a little mini bob set thing going on there, it works. Like, it looks good this way. So out of the 2 textures that I got, I have to be honest with you guys, I truly love the straight hair more, and I believe the straight hair is like a cop out for anybody. Like, if you're new to virgin hair and you don't want to waste your money, go with straight hair. It's just so simple to do, because it's sleek, it's straight, you can flex or rod it, you can wand it, you can wave it, you can do everything. Whenever I have curly hair or wavy hair, I'm very hesitant to put a flat iron through it, but I have one plugged in right now. But I'm very hesitant to put a flat iron or a straightener through it, because it's wavy hair, it's curly hair, and I already have hairs that are curly and that are wavy. But the reason I'm going to be doing this to you now, I've never done this, it's my first time doing this on camera, straightening this hair, and I'm really hesitant in doing so. But if you guys, it's a full review, and I want to give you all the pros and the cons of the hair before you even decide to invest. As I said, with straight hair, I mean, it's a given with straight hair. It is going to be straight with straight hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I really am. So let me just, where's my brush? And because it's virgin hair, whenever you wet it, it will wave back up. And as I said, I'll keep you guys posted on my Instagram, the wave back upness, if it does wave back up. And gosh, I have to do a review on this. It's phenomenal. I love it. Alright, so I'm holding it and I'm going pretty slow so that it coats each strand, and also the heat comes from the bottom of this straightening brush. Oh my god. Okay, so this was one pass. I didn't even go all the way to the bottom. Alright, so let me just section off. That was too much to experiment on. So let's do this. So the reason I'm moving slow, it's because I said the heat comes from the bottom. So I kind of have to make sure that the hair gets to the base of the brush. I'm kind of nervous. But this is how you're going to know if it's good hair, right? Alright, I'm not going to straighten anymore. There's a piece back here that has not been straightened. Whatever, get out of my way. Okay. Alright. Alright. Oh my gosh, screenshot. Wow. Oh my lord. Okay, I'm admittedly nervous. This thing got straight with 2 passes. Mind you, it's my straightening brush that did it. I'm just saying it's innovative. It's innovative. I don't want to run it again through it. Alright, let me do it one more time because I just hope this hair waves back up. Wow. Now the good thing is if you're wearing it straight, right, and you're going on a beach trip, you can have 2 hairstyles in one. Because when you come out of the water, you're like, oh my god, it's wavy. Girl, did you switch wigs? Hold up, what is going on? So this is pretty impressive, I must say. I must say. So you guys know I'm going to have to come back to you guys again, especially with this texture, to see if it waves back up. But that's it for the video. I look so weird. I have to end it here, you guys. I can't. I have to end it here. Look, I just love straight hair so much. It just looks really nice on me. I really don't like loose wave hair on me. I don't think it looks good on me. But yeah, so this is the hair from AliGrace here on AliExpress. They do have an Instagram. I'll link everything for them in the description bar below. The only con I would say is the closure. That's the only con, because it comes down the 2 inches, and then, but then as I said, that can be easily fixed when you flex around it or just wand it or whatever, or curl it. The other thing is it's shedding, and that's because this is my 2nd time wearing the hair, so I have to do some more with it in order that to just probably wash it to get rid of all the hair that's stuck up in there. Because when you cut the hair, this is why it's shedding. Whenever you cut your hair wet, wherever you cut it from, it starts shedding from that space, you know what I mean? So yeah, but this is not bad at all. That's not bad. That's not bad. I love straight hair. Anyway, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. AliGrace, thank you so much for sending me here to review. Really means a lot to me. You have some really good hair, and nothing but good luck and blessings to your business. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.